After the removal of the old plaster, we find that the unevenness of the walls and individual bricks prevents us from using standard plastering glass, because we cannot achieve the leveled surface of a larger wall area by doing so. As you can see, the differences are in the range of a few centimeters. To achieve the perfect plane for your plastered walls, whether old or newly built, in a short time, use our plastering kits that are available on the market. The plastering kit consists of special plastering cloths that are adjustable to create the desired plane on any straight as well as uneven wall. If you are going to tile or install a kitchen unit, you will need a right angle, because otherwise it will have to catch up with laths, and that's not so good. The plastering kit allows you to do this in a relatively short time. The plastering kit is very easy to use. Each of the laths is provided with a log hole at the top and bottom, thanks to which the lath is fixed on the wall-mounted fastening screws. Place the lath on the wall and mark the location of the fastening screw in the upper log hole. Next, drill a hole in the brick and fasten the screw with a leveling nut into it with a cordless screwdriver. For easier screwing in, I would recommend dipping the screws in oil. We do not use wall plugs. They increase the inaccuracy of the pitch of the screws, and there is a chance that the lath could not be installed at all. Proceed the same way at the bottom hole. Now we have both fastening points ready and we hang the lath on them. We do the same for other laths. In this way, we are able to fasten the plastering cloths in a short time, which can then be adjusted to the desired level using a Phillips screwdriver only by tightening or loosening the individual adjustable screws. Mutual alignment of the laths is achieved by a stretch string or a sufficiently long straight lath. After creating the desired plane, we eliminate the possible bending of the lath by fixing the middle screw and tightening the alignment nuts against the lath. As you can see, we are able to even out an area of approximately 10 square meters in a moment without being a professional or having a lot of plastering experience. Plastering kits are suitable not only for uneven old walls, but can also be used on straight new brick or stone walls for different types of plasters. As we have said already, we can create a perfect right angle using the kit. Now let's see how. On the second wall we define a perpendicular surface with an additional lath and use a screwdriver to set the surface at right angles to the second surface with the help of an angle ruler. If you want to level the larger areas, e.g. when plastering the exterior walls, the laths are provided with attachments, where we attach another lath to the plastering cloth, which gives us the possibility of leveling virtually any large area. The kit can be used repeatedly, unlike standard sheet laths that remain under the plaster and disappear. After using the lath, remove it, simply wipe it off and use it again. Finally, to summarize the advantages of plastering kits, they are very simple, accurate and quick to work with. Both professional and skilled handymen can handle them, and in addition they will substantially shorten the 2-day preparation before the plastering.